Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the N5 Nut Milk Maker, a versatile machine that promises to simplify the process of making healthy, homemade plant-based milks and more. Whether you're after almond milk, oat milk, or even a fresh smoothie, this 10-in-1 appliance claims to cover all your bases. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out together. The N5 Nut Milk Maker stands out with its multifunctional capabilities. With the ability to make room temperature or hot nut milk, oat milk, soy milk, juice, smoothies, baby food, and more, it's designed to cater to all your plant-based drink needs in one compact unit. The 20-aughts 600 milliliters capacity is perfect for small batches, about 1 to 3 cups, making it ideal for individuals or small households. The machine offers one-touch simplicity, meaning you can easily select your desired function and start the process with a single press. The delay start function is a big bonus here, allowing you to set the machine up the night before and wake up to freshly prepared milk, all without any hassle. Plus, there's a self-cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. However, it's worth noting that while the N5 is packed with features, it doesn't include a refrigeration function, so you'll need to store your fresh milks elsewhere. In terms of practical use, the setup was incredibly straightforward. Right out of the box, I was able to select functions and start the machine with ease. The design is compact and lightweight, so it doesn't take up too much counter space, which is a plus for smaller kitchens. The real test, however, came when I used the machine for almond milk. The motor is surprisingly powerful, and paired with the 6 durable stainless steel blades, it blended the almonds smoothly into a creamy texture. The process was fast, under 10 minutes, and remarkably quiet compared to other machines I've tested. The keep warm function kept the milk at an ideal temperature for hours, which is a great convenience for busy mornings when you want your drinks ready to go. The self-cleaning feature worked as advertised, and I didn't have to spend too much time on post-use maintenance. Now, no product is perfect, so let's talk about some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, the N5 Nut Milk Maker's versatility is a standout feature. It's not just a milk maker. It can make smoothies, juices, and even baby food. The self-cleaning function is a huge time saver, and the quiet operation is a pleasant surprise for a machine with such power. The 20-aughts capacity is also well suited for smaller households or individuals, and the one-touch controls make it simple to use. On the flip side, there are a few things worth considering. While the 20-aughts capacity is convenient for small batches, it might not be enough for larger families or those who make nut milk regularly. The lack of refrigeration function means you'll need to consume the milk shortly after making it, as it doesn't keep it chilled. Also, if you're someone who prefers a fully automated process, like adding ingredients and walking away, you might find that the machine still requires some manual involvement, especially for thicker blends like baby food. When it comes to value for money, the N5 Nut Milk Maker offers a solid package, especially for those who are new to making plant-based milks or smoothies at home. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the versatility and ease of use justify the price. When compared to similar machines like the Almond Cow or Nutrimilk, the N5 stands out with its quiet operation and multifunctionality. However, it does fall short in terms of capacity for those who need to make larger batches or store milk for multiple days. In terms of build quality, the N5 Nut Milk Maker is robust, with a durable plastic body and high-grade stainless steel blades that should hold up well over time. While there isn't much long-term reliability data available yet, based on the solid construction and the brand's reputation, it seems like a product that should last with proper care. The motor and components feel well-designed, and the low noise levels give it a premium touch, making it a solid option for everyday use. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out during my testing period, but the company does provide a user manual and a recipe book, which adds value to the purchase. If you run into any issues, the manual offers troubleshooting tips, and the company's customer service is responsive, though specific response times weren't tested. In summary, the N5 Nut Milk Maker is a reliable and versatile addition to any kitchen. Its multifunctionality, ease of use, and quiet operation make it a standout in the plant-based milk maker category. The main drawback is its smaller capacity, which might not be ideal for larger families or those who consume a lot of milk. But if you're looking for a compact, quiet, and efficient way to make homemade milks, smoothies, and more, the N5 is a solid choice. Thank you for watching today's review. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest, in-depth reviews. If you have any questions or thoughts about the N5 nut milk maker, feel free to drop a comment below. The link to get it can be found in the comments box. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, where we bring the products inside your home to make your buying decisions a little easier. See you next time!